Okay, so I saw this recipe on Natasha's Kitchen. I figured I'd give it a try. I usually use chicken, but I'm gonna try shrimp this time. Couldn't find heavy cream. All I could find is like heavy whipping cream. I wasn't sure. I know. Great value. Fake Walmart whipping cream. So let me get started. So yeah, shout out to Natasha's Kitchen. I do like to cook, so let's do it. get a little taste here. So I'm watching season 5, episode 3 of The Boys right now. Oh, this is juicy. Yeah, there's oil in it. The broccoli is fine. I sort of forgot about it, but broccoli's good. Get a little taste. Look at it. It's so slippery and juicy that I can't even pick it up. That's crazy. It's pretty good. So I'm gonna eat this and look at the boy. I could use more salt, but again, I can't really add salt to my food, so that's why I didn't add any. So if you want to add salt, you can add salt. Other than that, it's pretty good. I didn't add parsley. I actually like basil, but I don't really have any basil right now. I like it. Give it maybe a 7.5 out of 10. Maybe 8. Alright, thanks for watching.